honestly sweating because I put on the facial moisturizer here and it just made me hot. I'm gonna wear all black today. So yeah guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently going to go to the biomedical. I have videoed this place before, but due to some little misinformation or something like that I got, well, would I say it's still my fault, but whatever, I have to go back. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to the biomedical to do a blood test. I'm very hungry. I'm gonna think one of the main reasons why I'm really at Oreo. So yeah guys, it's actually 9:03 now. I really think I'm gonna leave out before this, but I'm just gonna put on my pants now. So I'm wearing full black because I'm wearing full black because I don't like wear colored clothes when the girls who get it, and the girls who don't just don't get it. I don't like wear colored clothes when Miss Lady there, so full black it is. The top never have to be black, but I mean, I like wear black top, but the bottom definitely have to be black for me right now. So I'll catch you guys back up when I am on the road because I'm just going to get my bag now, lotion my foot, and then we're on the road. So yeah, bye. So guys, I just did the test and I'm about to go over to the supermarket now because I need something in there, so I'll get back with you when I'm there. Good morning guys, I'm doing a bit of a reset. I'm going to be doing a bit of a reset today because I didn't get to wash my hair yesterday. Yesterday was so fun. I did a content that is going to be posted before this video. Please to go and watch it. It's called Finish the Lyrics or Get Wet Challenge. Really nice. And so basically I'm just going to be resetting today. I'm going to be changing my sheets, washing, organizing back because in the week I actually pull up like my ear stuff, so you know, the ones that I use. But that's basically it for today. So that's what I'm updating you guys on. I'm gonna brush my teeth or not for a morning. I'm gonna do this. We're putting a sinner. There's some of the name on my lip but that's basically it. So I'm going to start doing that. I have some clothes to fold and all of that, like, but let's just start our reset. So guys, I'm home. Turn off the fan camera if not hear me. So guys, I'm home and I just feel so good today because your girl went back to her natural hair outside of her protective style, and I just felt like this new ass girl, if you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I decided to just update you guys on that because my vlogs are never one place, like never. I'm yet to get a vlog that is that organized, but we move. But yeah, just got home. My face is breaking out as usual, so I'm just going to put some Sync Bible on it. Hopefully the Sync Bible I have, because I've had it for so long and I did stop using it for a while, but right now my face is a mess, so I'm gonna try to do that right now. So
it's funny because when you were younger, like, you expect yourself to turn 18, turn 19, and everything changes. Girl, that clock strikes 12 and you feel like the same.
hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm just getting a chance to talk to you guys. It's pouring rain outside, so you're going to hear a lot of noise in the background, I think. Hopefully not as much as I think. Just washed my hair, just took a shower, and just wanted to check in. It's the weekend. Whatever I want to be, honestly. It's really a chill day for me because all I'm doing right now is to just put on some clothes and just get back in bed, and honestly, social media, Netflix, that's just how the day is going to be going. Honestly, I don't have much to do, so that is really that, to be honest. I decided to wash my hair from today because normally I start washing my hair every Sunday. It's in the afternoon now, to be honest, and yeah, just decided. Guys, we're almost at another milestone, which I am really excited about. Go over to my business page, guys, and let that grow as well. It's boss_bags by me, so you can follow me on all other socials at Yanieki. And yeah, basically that's really that for the day. Nothing exciting because, as you can see, the weather, and even if it was really sunny, I don't have any plans to actually go on the road. So this is basically how the day initially was going to be going, regardless of the weather. I really like the rain, I like the weather, I love that I am actually home and so forth. So yeah, I'm just going to get ready, put on my clothes. I'm going to put on some clothes. I'm going to say may I get ready, just so like me I go somewhere. I'm going to put on some clothes and just, yeah, continue the chill vibe at home. Really, it's been that type of week and a chill day is needed, which I am gratefully taking. So yeah, talking a lot. I'm just going to be ending the vlog right here. Going to be ending it right here because, as I said before, it's really been a very chill day. I literally, not really long ago, but like good look a while ago, not really good look a while ago, but you don't understand what I say. I just do some boiled dumpling with banana and corned beef. I've been wanting that from morning. My dad think about it, and then I finally get up and say I'm gonna do it. So I did that. And then from morning I've just been binge watching Manifest, and also I just start watch 365 the next day or whatever it want name. I'm not even sure how much. I'm going to check for it. Alright, so I'm currently going to check, so it's the next 365 days. I started watching it, but I didn't finish watching it. See there. But I'm currently binge watching Manifest. It's hardly a show. Anyways, yeah. I really have binge watch Manifest right now. I've been watching Virgin River, and this will come off much is already. So yeah, basically those are the 3 shows that's on my listing right now to watch, because all these other shows need to come off. I'm certain somebody erased them already. I don't know why Netflix not take them off when we finish watch them with the crowd fan. So yeah, that's what I've been doing all day. Literally just chill type of day, and then the weather has been good. Honestly, I really like the weather once I'm home and not in the mucky, because if you're from Spanish Town, like, you don't understand the situation when rainfall and you're in the town a mess. So that's good. So I'm just going to be ending the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me, continue following me on my journey towards 1K subscriber period. Here we'll get there. Yeah, just continue watching the videos, sharing the videos, commenting. Guys, comment as much time as possible. Comment any amount of time you want to comment. Make a big conversation in the comment section for me. Share the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Remember to go back to my business page at boss_bags by me. Follow me on any other social media at Yanieki. As simple as that. So yeah, bye guys, see you in the next video.